Good evening. Hi. Karado mo dito, ha? Hey, Gabriel. Gab. Sabi ko sa radyo. Alive ako. Hindi ko nito nakalive si tita. Ibutang mo nito. Hi, this is Gasting, Master Ram. Kumusta? Okay naman po. Ikaw, kumusta ka na? Thank you. Ano mo kay Mariboko? Isarado mo, Gab. Kay Mariboko. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you. Bawal ang bata kayo naglalay ba ako? Sige na, sige. Thank you, disgusting Master Ram. Thank you so much. I don't wanna know. You're welcome po. Gabriel. Disgusting. Thank you guys. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you for the people in the live, in the house. Thank you so much. Thank you for the 7 people. Gab, dili mo na pa ganun, Gab. Gab! Ayun na, Gab, kay Manong. Sarado ko nga. Ano na, Gab, kay buruksan ko yadi. Oh, naglalay pa ako. Dito ka na mag-imod sa lugas. Sige. Thank you for the 11 people in the house. Thank you so much. Guys, thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you. I don't wanna know. For the happiness, hello, thank you sa nanonood. Salamat. Chat. Mag-inom tubig ha, pagkatapos son. Tagan mo si mama. I-give mo na yun dito. I-give mo na sa iyo na yun. Bonjour, tout va bien. LGBT on France and Britain. Please guys, hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you team. Thank you so much. Thank you Michael, Tian. Thank you Michael. Thank you so much. Thank you Michael. Michael. Na. I don't wanna know. Thank you so much. Merci beaucoup. Merci beaucoup. Merci beaucoup. I don't wanna know. Salamat. Salamat sa nanonood. Thank you so much. Thank you. Lalo na sa nag-thumbs up. Thank you so much. Have a child on detain. What means? What it means in English? I'm not fluent in I don't know French. I know French, just not. I mean just a little French language. A little learn. Goodness. My coach doesn't know your language. Please speak English for the host. Thank you, team. Thank you. J'étais fait des grosses bisous, à bientôt bisous. À bientôt. Bisous. I think bisous. It's a kiss. It's a kiss. Love. Can't you say I'm alone? Can't you be this way? Thank you for the 4 people in the house. Thank you so much. Toi et trusty. Trusty means what it means. What do you mean? Nag-aayon. Michael English. English please. Or Tagalog please. Where's other friends here? Maybe they're busy. Play. Pati cellphone naglolo ko. Hindi ka mawawalan. Drop, ano mo naman, Gabriel. Imbis na ano ka naman, iluwas ko ikaw. Ko ikaw doon, kargahon ba, kanina dito. Iluwas ko ikaw doon sa luwas. Maigdaan, di ka nagigda kay. Maigda ka dito, dere. Maganda higda sa talis kay. Basketball done. Not yet. How last team? Last game. Last, team basketball. Axel. Hi, Sir Axel. Fox. 23 vlog. Good evening po. Hi, good evening, Axel Fox. Fox. 23 vlog. Hello po. Ano sugat? Natarog na. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you for the thumbs up, Axel Fox 22 vlog. Thank you.
Laba ko sa init. Laba. Uy, laba. Laba. May laba. Doon ka sa may cellphone. Palit. Kita. Palit.
Thank you, Sir Axel Fox. Salamat. Taga saan ka po, Sir Axel Fox?
Kita.
Michael. Sige po, be. Severe sad. Sorry. Super nice. Jabititi. Chloe. Layo. Ikaw ay the solid. Mercy ko. Bisuabian to. Thank you. Talaga. Merci beaucoup, Michael Tan. Merci beaucoup. Merci beaucoup. Michael, why you don't speak English? Maybe she don't speak English. He don't speak English. I don't speak English. So it's okay as long as his comment is not bad. I think it's good. I don't understand, but it's fine. Thank you for the 5 people in the house and 4 thumbs up. Salamat. Jason runs here. Hi Jason, merci beaucoup. From Michael. You don't know if you are nice or yeah. I know some French language like abiento. Abiento said, I think he said goodbye like that. Tita would know. Yes, Tita. Tita would know. Yeah, Tito. Tito, he's a French Canadian, I think. French. Tito is a French. Tito is Tita.
May naman ako tabi. Ha? Bye.
Ayaw. Ayaw na. Kay may naman lang ko no tubig. Ay, may... Kailangan pa ba ganun? So, oh my God. Who is Gab playing with? Ashley. Ashley. Gab is sleeping now. He's sleeping. Tapos na yan? Tapos na yan? Wala. Laro ka. Pwede ito.
Ay, bawal.
Sino ito? Sino ito?
Ah, taringan.
Magbigay. Why is
Oy,
not
bigay ka na.
Ashley
Bumigay
in
ka
the
na.
first call tomorrow? Ashley's call afternoon. His schedule in afternoon. No school at morning. Ano? Gio? Kato na sa lawa. Ayan naman. Tayo naka-live stream. Dito na sa ano. Ay! Ash! Dito na sa labas. Kaya nagla-live sa kita.
Taringan, pinakanto ko daw.
Dire ikaw. Kamo. Kato na Gio. Darhanay niyo sa luwas.
Ako na lang pili.
Kato na, darhanan niyo Ash. Oh, paano? Dito pa na sa'yo. Paano pili?
Oy, may pilit lang kita.
Okay. What time is it now? Or 9:45 p.m. in the evening. Oh my God. Okay now. parang madilim. Okay, okay, go to sleep, honey. Yes, I go to sleep. Bye-bye. Go to sleep. Too slow. Bye-bye. Love you all. I love you.